Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to check and fill your oil in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to open the door. To open the hood, we're just going to grab this lever right here, pull that up. To lift the hood, if you look above the Ford symbol to the right a little bit, there's a lever right here. Slide that towards the passenger side, lift up on the hood, and then there's a prop rod right here. Just gonna grab the prop rod. We're gonna stick that right there. It's gonna hold the hood up. To check the engine oil, you're gonna come over here. There's a dipstick right here. Grab the dipstick, pull the dipstick out. We're going to take a rag and just wipe the dipstick down. I'm going to reinsert the dipstick. You're going to push the dipstick all the way in. This one's a little bit sticky. And grab the dipstick again, pull it out. Now we're going to check. You want the fluid level to be in between these two little dots, somewhere in those hash marks, which our level's right in the middle, which is good. You could add a little bit, but you don't want to have it too close to the top. So this actually is pretty good right here. And we'll reinstall the dipstick, slide it in. Then when you add the oil, the fill cap is over here. Just take the fill cap off. Generally, it says what type of oil to use, so you can use that type of oil. Use a funnel, and then top off your oil. And we can reinstall the cap. Just line it up, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.